Hello everyone, welcome to all. I am Sarika Chaudhary from Signet Public School, Hadapsar. It gives me a feeling of honor to talk about the importance of this day, that is Martyrs' Day, and the teachings of the great Mahatma Gandhi. What is Martyrs' Day? On this day, we pay homage to the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives for their motherland. In India, Martyrs' Day or Shahid Divas is observed mainly on two dates. On 30th January, Martyrs' Day is celebrated in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, who was assassinated on this day in 1948. It is also celebrated on 23rd March to pay tribute to three extraordinary revolutionaries of India, namely Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, who were hanged to death by the British on this day in 1931. Why is Martyrs' Day celebrated on 30 January? The contribution of Mahatma Gandhi towards the nation and its independence is no secret. He was a great freedom fighter, a simple man with huge determination, a man who had dedicated his life for independence, welfare, and development of India. On January 30th, 1948, the father of nation was assassinated at Gandhi Smriti in the Birla House during the evening prayers. Nathuram Godse justified his crime by holding Gandhiji responsible for the partition of the country and the killing of thousands during the freedom struggle. He called Gandhiji a pretender and in no way felt guilty for his crime. So, on this day, that is January 30, is the day when Mahatma Gandhi was martyred, and the government of India announced the day as Shahid Divas or Martyrs' Day. How it is celebrated across the country. The president, the vice president, the prime minister, and the defense minister on 30 January get together at the Rajghat to the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi to pay honor by putting a garland of flowers on his statue. An honorable salute is also given by the armed forces personnel and inter-service contingent to pay respect to all martyrs. 2 minute silence is kept in the memory of the father of nation and other martyrs throughout the country. Several bhajans, religious prayers are also sung. Many schools have programs on this day in which students display patriotic songs and plays. One of the quotation by Mahatma Gandhi, death is at any time blessed, but it is twice blessed for a warrior who dies for his cause. That is truth. So let us all pledge to work on the path of truth and non-violence. Let us all make our Bapu proud and pray for his soul. आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है खुश नसीब होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है Jai Hind.